Stickasaurus here, and today we're doing something a little different. It's not quite a fresh build. We are fixing up an old helmet. So this is my old Dino Thunder Blue, Ombre Blue. I believe this is a Nelly cosplay file. It's not like terrible. It's not great. I hate to just throw it away. We will be doing a separate video on a brand new one of these with a different file and everything, I promise. But in this video, we're going to try to get this fixed up just to show you can take an old helmet that you did a long time ago and maybe make it look better. So we've got a lot of issues with this. You know, we've got the all the layer lines on top, sloppy paint here. There's no detail lines. I think there's something gross up here yet. See how we got just sloppy paint there. Visor's okay though. I'm pretty sure that real helmets are kind of like this. I'll have to double check and make sure. If not, then maybe this is worse than I expected. It does have magnets and everything in it, so it's like not terrible. Only 2, which is not what I do anymore. I do at least 5. So we're gonna try to get this fixed up, get it looking pretty, you know, worthy of being on the shelf. This has been on the floor for years. And we're also going to fix up this old Dino Thunder Yellow. If you saw it in the new video for my Dino Thunder Yellow, this is my old one. It's not great either. All them detail lines there and all that, so we'll get that all smooth. Usually the first step with a already cleared, like finished helmet, I know these aren't the best. Chins are gross too, because this one I used to print them like this, not on their backs. Usually with these, I hit them with primer first. If you put the spot putty on top to clear, it kind of cracks. So it's easier just to either prime them or sand them down a little bit. I don't know what we're gonna do. Maybe we'll do one prime and one we'll sand and see what the difference is. So let's do that. Then we'll get to it. Alright, these 2 helmets aren't looking too bad. We're going to get visor, magnets, elastic, and we'll get to the spin around!
there we go. I know this is a little weird video, but here are 2 helmets that look like absolute garbage that we were going to throw away. And I said, hey, you know what? Let's take a chance. Let's try to fix them up. And you know what? I think they turned out fantastic, all things considered. Blue has a tiny little paint crack at the top. I don't super care for yellow seam, but that's just how the model was. That's how they printed. These have been sitting here for probably almost 4 years, just absolute garbage. So I'm happy to fix them up. I just wanted to show you that you can take old garbage you made, or if you buy a super cheap kit off somebody or something, you can fix it up and make it look good. You just use your new skills and a little TLC. Now I'm going to try to sell these at GoGo Ranger Station tomorrow. Hopefully they go to a good home. If not, blue is certainly welcome back on my shelf looking like this. And I don't know what we're going to do with yellow, since we already did a video on yellow. And I like the new model we used a little better. As for blue, we will do a whole new helmet with a new video and everything in the future here. I promise, as part of the helmet refresh on the Patreon. But as always, I'm Stickasaurus, and I'll see you next time. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter at Stickasaurus, Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosplay Props and Toys, Twitch, Stickasaurus Rex. We're live every Saturday, Sunday, twice a day, working on helmets live as well throughout the week. Also check out the Patreon. We have community builds, exclusive videos, exclusive streams, files, all kinds of fun stuff going on over there. And check out the merch store. We have t-shirts, drinkware, mouse pads, whatever you're interested in. It's there with a lot of fan submitted ideas and awesome art. And we have new helmet videos every Friday, so make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you.